Let's get your Beyonce on with the Vixen Dance Workout, which is insanely popular for its Miami nightlife-inspired moves. Today, we have Candace Craig here to show us how to get it done.
Ladies, it's time to get loose and let go of your alter ego. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's hit it. This is the Vixen Workout. Let's get started. Hey, ladies.
Woo! Hey, excited.
Okay, me too. So, we're at the club. Just imagine yourself at the club. Let's clap it up. Your favorite song just came on. We're going to start pumping down. Right leg. Here we go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Knees up. Good. Breathing. Make sure you engage your core on these.
Oh, yeah.
And when you get more comfortable, bring your chest down a little bit. Yep. Good, ladies.
It'll be a workout if it's fun.
Yeah, I mean, there has to be. Who wants to do a boring workout? Good. Keep this up. Keep pumping. This is just a warm-up.
Oh, yeah, I'm getting warm.
Yeah.
All of a sudden, like,
Yeah, just keep pumping. Now we're going to freestyle down. What that means is you got to really let yourself go. And going down. We're rolling. Any timing you want, make sure you can touch yourself. You've had it your whole life. So go ahead and touch yourself. We're rolling. 2, 3, 4. That's all up in your abs. 6, 7, 8. Okay, how does that feel?
I'm
All
already
right,
hot. That was fun.
Okay, so you gotta just really be okay with just moving your body. We're at the club. Just remember, okay? We're gonna start with the pump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, up, around. Okay? Right leg, right arm, left, and right arm, and left arm, and up, up, around. Okay? So a little bit faster. Going 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, up, around. Get lower now. 1, 2, 3,
Oh, I feel the
4.
burn.
Up, up, me too.
There
Here we
we
go.
go.
And 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, up, around. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, up, around. Let's twist. Woo. And twist. And twist. You see your girl at the other side of the club, you're like, hey girl.
Feels like I'm in a music video. Like, yeah.
That's the point. We're Vixens right now.
Woo.
Good.
I like this move.
Me too. But now let's really twist and lift your knees. Good. I feel the burn. Heart is
Oh, yeah.
racing. Next is the booty pop. Go figure, huh? Open up. We're going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Really drop it low. Back. Pretend like something's behind you.
Yeah.
I don't know. Have a little bit of fun. This is good for home. It's good for the club.
The grocery store?
It's good for the grocery store down the milk aisle. Good. Keep it up.
Might be my favorite move.
Yeah. Throw it back. Throw it back. Throw it back. Now the milkshake brings all the boys to the yard. We're going up and down. Up and down. Good. Up and down. Up. Get those hips moving. Faster. Up and a down. Then a up and a down. Up, down, up, down. You hear me breathing hard? That means I'm working hard.
Oh, yeah. Woo.
I hear you
This
guys
is a new
too.
one for me, Candace.
You look great, girl.
Woo.
Move those hips.
I gotta roll my hips bigger to match you. Man. Black girls can dance too, right?
Now we're going to do this KOD. King of Diamonds. Somebody I mean exactly what I'm talking about. If not, you should Google it. This is the vibe, man. Bend the right leg, left leg. Right leg, pushing your butt back. Really bending your knees. This is also time for you to breathe.
Oh, yeah. Feel that in my
Yeah,
legs.
Can I use my legs as like,
Absolutely.
okay, as I can,
It's a cheating.
okay, good.
It's okay. But we're still engaging all of our muscles. Good. And now since we've had a couple breaths, it's time to move on to the next step. Here we go. We're gonna go. 1, 2, down and up again. Going 1, 2, down and up. This is faster. Going 1, 2, down, up. We're going 1, 2. Really dig deep. Find your inner vixen right here. Yeah. Up. Go. 1, bam, 2, 3. Oh yeah. 1, 2. Yeah. One last time. Last time. Here we go. 3, 4. How do you feel? I feel the burn in my thighs right around here.
Oh,
Good
yeah.
job, ladies.
Loving it.
Woo.
Loving it. Thanks, Candice.
Let's do this Beyonce step where we turn towards the back. You look back at it and we go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This starts to get easier and more fun as you keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Make it a little bit bigger now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Going 1, 2, 3. See? What I'm feeling? Hey. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Woo. Now, let's get this core going.
All right.
My
favorite.
We're gonna go click, 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 click. And front, left, back, side, front, left, back, side. Round, around, around, around. Good. Around, around.
Oh, yeah.
I feel it.
Around.
Obliques, baby.
Yeah.
Down
Click,
side.
click, click it faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Around, 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 around.
Oh, yeah.
6. Again, we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. Bounce it. Have fun. Woo. Around 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's breathe. 1, 2, 3. Clap it up. And 1, 2, 3. This is a club move. You can use this in the club. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2.
I like it.
Good girls. You guys are troopers right now. This is only
So much fun.
10 minutes. Imagine 60 minutes. 1,000 calories. Imagine that, huh?
Oh yeah.
Good. Keep it up.
I'm having so much fun. It doesn't feel like I'm
Doing
doing anything, you know?
Learn how to dance. In this
Yeah.
You guys are doing great. Let's try this one. We're going 1, 2, 3. Remember this?
one. Oh, yeah. I think you get better the second time around.
That's
Yeah,
the
yeah.
point. Every class is the same. So each class you get better and better.
I feel this in my core too.
And you end up burning more calories that way. The better you know it, the more calories you burn.
Just realized I was doing the move wrong. It's okay.
Were you?
Yeah.
It's okay. That's the point of this You whole guys thing. know I do. Let's do one last thing. We're going to do the march. Last thing. We're going 1, 2, hit, hit, and back. 1, 2, hit, hit, and back. Again, we're going right, left, hit, hit, and back. Right leg, left leg, hit, hit, and back. Speed it up. We're going boom, 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 boom. Ha.
Hey.
1, 2, boom, boom. Back. And 1, 2, hit, hit, back. 1, 2, hit. Get in it. Here we go. 1, 2, hit, hit. Hey. 1, 2, hit, hit. Hey. 1, 2, hit, hit. Hey. 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 And 1, 3, and 5. Bending that back leg, straightening the front. Make sure we're showing our curves. 5, 6. We love this in Vixen. We usually do an ooh sound with it. Ooh. Ooh. This is our cool down. Ooh. Other way. We're going ooh. 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 You guys, I'm feeling it. Arch your back. Make sure you arch your back. Your head is the last thing. So arching. Really engage your core here. Bend your back leg. Good. Good. How are you guys feeling after that?
So great.
Oh my God, I feel amazing.
Amazing.
I'm sweating. I feel the sweat.
Me too.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You got through.
First Vixen
Woo!
Dance workout. Thank you so much, Candace. I think I became Janet Jackson on the dance floor.
You sure did. I was Jennifer Lopez today.
Let us know who you became on the dance floor today and check out vixenworkout.com. We'll see you next time on Pop Sugar Fitness.